The story begins in 1982 when Autodesk is founded. That same year, the company introduces AutoCAD, the first software of its kind to run on non-proprietary hardware, the PC, and in doing so, facilitates the use of CAD in the building and other AEC industries. Year after year, Autodesk has continued to develop solutions that allow interoperability. In 1988, Autodesk develops DXF, an open file format, and makes it accessible to everyone. DXF is an early industry standard for CAD data exchange. In 1996, Autodesk is a founding member of the International Alliance for Interoperability, which became Building Smart International in 2008. Building Smart International defines OpenBIM as a collaborative approach based on open standards and workflows, such as IFC. In 2002, Autodesk acquires Revit and begins developing the Building Smart's certified IFC data exchange format into Revit. 2010, Autodesk adds the STL export in Revit to allow 3D printing capabilities, and the STL plugin is brought to the open source community. 2011, the IFC Import-Export Toolkit for Revit is made available to the open source community. Autodesk is the only one with this approach. In 2013, the IFC standard is integrated into the cloud solutions such as A360 and BIM 360. 2014, IFC4 is released and is integrated into Revit right away. 2016, Autodesk implements IFC in its product design solution, Inventor, enabling building product manufacturers to take part in the BIM process. Today, Autodesk has 14 total software offerings and collaborative platforms that support IFC. This provides project teams with a broad range of multidiscipline data sharing through OpenBIM procedures. In 30 years of innovation and sharing, Autodesk continues to create solutions that enable open collaboration between professionals.